to our second point. Now, after a client shares the executive summary done by Professor Bergston.
Okay, well, thank you very much for that introduction. It is, in fact, a huge pleasure to spend this particular Saturday at the law school. I am quite frankly stunned at the level of technology on display. As someone who began to practice law before there were even photocopiers, and was amazed when we first had the wet copy machines with contracts spread around the office, drying in the atmosphere. So really to emerge from that, and now some 56 years later, to be sitting in a virtual courtroom was quite astonishing. And I mean, not only is it an honor to have participated in what was called the first Moot in the Metaverse. I mean, it's a terrific expression. I've never been in the Metaverse before, and I never expected to be. And it sounds a little Star Trek for somebody of my age. But as with moots that are not in the Metaverse, the mooting was excellent. And it's the content of the moot that fundamentally takes first place. And I congratulate again each of the four mooters who did a terrific job. But on the technical side, it is quite extraordinary what we have all just witnessed. The way in which the figures appear, the way the camera swirls around the courtroom, focuses on different people at different stages. The level of control was extraordinary. And in fact, when the session ended and the helmet was removed, I was temporarily rather stunned to find myself out of the Metaverse and back in the setting of the Ian Scott courtroom. The Metaverse has a lot of advantages. You can order up your own avatar if you'd like to be a bit taller, thinner, more glamorous. The avatar can be produced to order. The courtroom can be controlled to a far greater extent than an actual courtroom, which is usually a good deal more chaotic than the Metaverse courtroom. The mooters function within 10-minute time limits, which I found astonishing, particularly with the case of the complexity of the one we had. In appellate courts now, the time limit is disciplined by a red light that comes on. Some people argue that it should be possible just to cut off the microphone to the lawyer in mid-speech. But the virtual courtroom gives the possibility of actually making the lawyer disappear altogether, which is a whole new step in judicial control of what goes on in the courtroom. I think there are some disadvantages, well recognized. It was awkward not being able to make notes because as you moved your arms, your avatar sort of was shown as wildly gesticulating, and you had no opportunity to view the notes in any event. So there's a lot of work to be done in order to make it serve the purpose of a real dispute resolution mechanism. But the progress to date is quite astonishing, and the people who have brought it to this level and who are carrying it further deserve tremendous credit for taking an advanced technology and attempting to tailor it to the needs of dispute resolution, whether arbitration or court work. So we're all we are all in their debt. So with congratulations to the Mooters, congratulations to the technical people. I'm very proud to have been part of the first Moot in the Metaverse. Thank you.
Later today. So thank you all, and the court is adjourned.